Hi, my name's Tom. I'm in my bathroom and I've got a squeaky door. Hear that hinge squeaking? It's a little annoying in the middle of the day, but at the middle of the night when I walk in here, it's like a fire alarm going off. It's just very high pitched and it's very squeaky and it wakes me up and I'm done with it. Now, normally I can go ahead and use some sort of like a WD-40 can or a spray can of something, but those spray cans actually will go ahead and spray stuff all over the place. They're messy. Even the WD-40 with a straw, I'll use that for car stuff, but I won't use that for hinges. For hinges and for little things like this that squeak, and you don't want to go spraying a lot of WD-40 all over the place, I use something that they've made called a precision pen. This is a WD-40 pen. And what it basically is it's a little felt tip marker just filled with WD-40 instead of actually being filled with ink of any sort. And the way this works is very simple. You just go ahead and take it and press it. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm kind of spreading some WD-40 into that crack. If you squeeze it in a little bit, it actually comes out. And I'm basically getting WD-40 in there. Okay, my hinge is now a little bit wet. You don't want to put too much on, but that's the cool part about the precision pen. It allows you to put WD-40 right in a particular spot, not too much, and then you just go ahead and kind of let it kind of seep through. Now let's see what happens here. There's no squeak whatsoever. I put WD-40 pen in here. I did not spurt all over the place. It does not smell like WD-40 in here. Everything is nice and clean and dot precision. And again, this WD-40 pen, these things are really great. I usually have a couple of these around the house. You can get them on Amazon. You just get like a 3-pack or something. Really, really great. I highly recommend these.